Hey, Fran Burnell here with Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers. Many of you know that follow our company. We sell manufacturing companies in the lower middle market, generally with companies with revenues of 2 to 20 million. So my office has been bombarded in recent history with emails and calls from manufacturing business owners who were hoping to begin the exit process and who are afraid that M&A is at an absolute standstill. And so what I want to share with you today is that nothing could be further from the truth. We closed a deal on March 31st up in New England. Even during lockdown, we got it closed. In the last few weeks, we have taken 3 deals under contract. 2 were at full list price. We've got another one that was already under contract and is scheduled to close next month. So activity continues. My team is working from home, as are a lot of Americans. Most of our clients are manufacturers who are deemed essential, and they're still working, and many of them are incredibly thriving. So if you've been considering retirement and you're afraid to start the process now, here's what I would say to you. First of all, the process can take up to a year, so you need to start early. The other thing is, if you feel fearful of COVID-19 and what it's done to the economy, companies with strong balance sheets are still buying. They are actively looking. Earlier, I said that my office has been bombarded with emails and calls. It's not just from sellers. It's from active, quality buyers. Companies with strong balance sheets, they're looking to gear up and make acquisitions so that when we get to Q3 and 4, they're in a great position against their competition because they've expanded geographically. They've made acquisition of technology and patents that they didn't have. They've also acquired new skilled workers that they didn't otherwise have. So it's still a great time to consider selling. There have been some people where we've done several valuations in recent weeks, and there were some people that we said, hey, listen, you need to wait. You're better off waiting. And if that's the case, we'll absolutely tell you. We only get paid when we get you to the finish line, and get you to the finish line in a manner that you are happy with is what we're really good at. So if you want more information, please reach out to us.